In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect iPhone 16 to Samsung TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an iPhone 16 or any other model of iPhone, you can easily connect it to a Samsung TV. They actually made this process super simple because you can do it completely wirelessly, so you don't even need to use a cable, even though a cable should also work. For this video, I'm going to show what I believe is the most convenient way to get this done. To begin, set up your Samsung TV. So go into the settings. When you access the menu and you choose settings, select all settings once again. And inside of all settings, go over to the connection category. So it is going to be this third one. Now you will find Apple AirPlay settings. If this option is grayed out, make sure that you are properly connected to a network. The network that you connect into must be the same network as your iPhone, so keep that in mind. For AirPlay to work, your TV and your iPhone need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure that you also enable Bluetooth on your iPhone in order to get this connection established. So be on the same Wi-Fi network and enable Bluetooth on the iPhone. When you choose Apple AirPlay settings, you can enable it from here. So it is going to allow you to set it up if it requires a code. So usually this will give you a numerical PIN that you have to input to confirm this connection. You can set it to always ask for a PIN or only for the first time, and then you have some other options related to subtitles. So when you turn that on, now swipe down from the top on your iPhone and you will find the screen mirroring option. If you don't see it here, look for screen mirroring, but when you tap this icon here with two screens on top of each other, you will find nearby devices that can be connected into. And as long as you enable AirPlay on the Samsung TV, as I displayed here, so make sure that this is enabled and they are on the same Wi-Fi network, you will be able to select the proper Samsung TV model that you see. Once you choose any of these, the Apple AirPlay code will be required. So the code is going to be displayed on your TV. It is going to be a random code, and then you can input it into your iPhone. Once you input this code, both of them will be connected, and the screen of your iPhone will now be mirrored over on your Samsung TV. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone 16 to Samsung TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.